High above the hills of Port Antonio stand the broken stones of Folly ruins, bleached by sun and salt, but heavy with restless memory. Long ago, in the early 1900s, an American millionaire built the grand mansion for his Breda Palace of Love, meant to last forever. But the marriage collapsed before the walls could hold laughter. Abandoned and unfinished, the house became a monument to pride and heartbreak. Locals say the land never forgave it. At night, when the wind blows in from the sea, footsteps echo through the roofless halls. Visitors swear they hear a woman sobbing where no one stands, and feel sudden cold hands brush their skin. Shadows move where moonlight should be still, and doors that no longer exist are said to slam shut. Elders whisper their spirits roam the ruined souls drawn to the sorrow left behind. Some believe dupes gather there after midnight, feeding on regret and loneliness. Others say the mansion was cursed the moment love turned to betrayal. Those who linger too long report dizziness, strange dreams, and a feeling of being watched long after they leave. The folly does not chase you. It follows you home. Even in daylight, the ruins feel wrong, like a wound that never healed. And when the sun sets, most Jamaicans know better than to stay. Some places are not meant to be finished, and some loves leave ghosts behind.